Hey, tell me your name and who you are and where you're from.
All right, so I'm Laurel Bowen from Knoxville, Tennessee. And I've actually known Whitney since before she was a real estate investor. She joined REIA and kind of had some hopes and dreams, but no clue at first. But Whitney surprised all of us. She took a class, went to Florida, came back, did 14 lease options in 1 year.
So what are you learning here at Private Money Profits?
I am learning how to find private money investors and how to find them and how to use them. So this is really great hands-on training. You don't get this with any other trainer. Whitney has a real knack for teaching and finding other people to teach too. And then she's also really good at motivation. So Whitney is a doer, but she also is great at training.
Thank you. What do you think about April Crosby?
She's incredible. She's kind of like a mini you, but she does completely different kind of investing. Whitney loves the creative stuff. April does traditional flips, but she definitely does it better than I ever did it because she doesn't use her own money ever on it. And that's what I want to learn how to do.
Awesome. And let's see, what's another good question?
Yeah, she's out here.
I'm doing a video. Hey, girl. Yeah, hang on just a second, okay? All right, Laurel, tell me, have you been in real estate before you came to this event?
Oh, yes. I did a lot of stuff, flips, rentals, but now that I took a 3-year hiatus off from real estate and investing for reasons, but the main reason I'm here is because I don't want to do the flips myself. I don't want to do the rentals myself. I'm one of those definite tired landlords, but there's a lot of ways you can do real estate that don't involve all the hard work. It involves the fun stuff like meeting people, getting sellers, finding buyers, that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm here for.
Awesome. And have you been to other real estate events before? How does this one compare to other real estate events?
This is the best I've ever been to. And I've been to a lot and paid money for real estate events. I've done several different things. But this one, I'm actually learning really practical how to do it from step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're actually being given like the freebies that you can give away. So I can just plug it in and find those private money lenders.
Awesome. Anything else? If somebody's thinking about coming to Private Money Profits next year, what would you tell them?
That it is the best thing that you can do to provide for your future, change your children's legacy from the work mindset, and totally transform your life. But also, I'm looking to raise money to be a wealth provider and teach other people how to make money too.
Awesome. Anything else we should know about Private Money Profits?
It's the best thing since sliced bread.
I love it. Well, thank you so much for being here with us. Woohoo!